Outdoor griddles are versatile cooking appliances designed for use outside, often in backyards, patios, or camping sites. Most outdoor griddles have adjustable temperature controls, allowing you to precisely regulate the heat for different cooking tasks. Outdoor griddles offer a convenient way to cook a variety of foods outdoors, making them popular for backyard gatherings, camping trips, and outdoor events where grilling and cooking capabilities are desired. There are many outdoor griddles to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best outdoor griddle from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Blackstone 36-inch gas griddle. The Blackstone 36-inch gas griddle offers a versatile restaurant-style grilling experience with its vast 768 inches of flat top surface, allowing you to cook an array of delectable dishes from breakfast favorites like eggs and pancakes to dinner delights such as quesadillas and steaks. Upgrade from standard grills with swift assembly and bid farewell to kerosene and matches, as this griddle features a battery-powered ignition for quick starts at the push of a button. Its patented grease management system tackles messy cleanups effortlessly, streamlining the process after cooking bacon and other meats. Master precision heat control with 4 independent burners, effortlessly adjusting the heat from low to high for diverse cooking needs. Fueled by propane with tank storage for seamless integration. The Blackstone 36-inch gas griddle boasts a durable powder-coated black steel frame, stainless steel burners, and a robust cold-rolled steel cooktop, featuring longevity and simplifying post-meal cleanup for an unparalleled grilling experience. Number 2. Little Griddle gas grills. The Little Griddle gas grills, crafted from a 100-restaurant-grade stainless steel, are built to last with their sturdy construction, ensuring durability and reliability for years of enjoyable grilling experiences. Say goodbye to flare-ups and messy grills as the specially designed grease trough channels grease away, preventing flare-ups and keeping your cooking surface clean for hassle-free grilling every time. The raised side walls of the Sizzle Q keep your food contained, preventing spills and splatters, ensuring mess-free grilling, and keeping your grill area tidy while you cook up your favorite dishes. Experience quicker cooking times and perfectly cooked meals with the Little Griddle Sizzle Q, as its even heat distribution ensures every corner of your grill top delivers consistent results, optimizing your cooking efficiency. Number 3. Monument propane gas grills. Monument propane gas grills feature 4 main 304 stainless steel burners, 1 side burner, increased visibility at night with LED control knobs, and the built-in clear view lid allows for easy viewing, enhancing your grilling experience. Number 4. Captiva Designs gas grills. The Captiva Designs gas grills feature a ceramic coated cast iron pan, offering non-stick perfection that ensures your meals effortlessly slide off for healthier cooking with minimal oil, while the non-stick surface simplifies maintenance, requiring just a quick wipe for effortless cleanup. Enjoy even heat distribution, crafted without harmful chemicals, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Durable, sleek, and modern, redefine your cooking experience with our ceramic-coated cast iron pan. Cooking made simple, cleanup made easier, with the slide-out grease cup making used cooking oil and food remnants easily removable, and the ceramic coating pan featuring a non-stick surface for hassle-free cleaning, ensuring effortless maintenance, leaving more time for what you love. The perfect kitchen companion. With 2 types of regulators, this portable tabletop griddle is perfect for backyard BBQs or camping in nature, as its compact size makes it easy to carry for barbecues, tailgating, fishing, pool parties, and more. Number 5. Weber 36 gas griddle. Scrambled cheesy eggs with crisp bacon, toasted Italian paninis, and juicy smash burgers with caramelized onions are just the beginning of what you can create on your Weber 36 gas griddle, featuring a 4-burner system that generates 60,000 BTUs for fast, even, edge-to-edge heat reaching over 500 depth, perfect for cooking a salmon filet or batch of burgers. The out-of-the-way corner grease chute and high-capacity front access grease tray prevent spills and splatter, making cleanup a snap, while the durable aluminized steel cookbox construction prevents corrosion and supports the longevity of the grill, with 2 sturdy side tables providing 410 C. N of workspace for prepping and serving, and 4 hooks to keep spatulas and other tools handy. The hinged cover of the Weber 36 gas griddle offers extra workspace for an enhanced grilling experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.